Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Wagi ang San Juan Knights kontra sa Pangasinan Heatwaves 81-73. Best player of the game si Sakari Wang sa likod ng kanyang 15 points, 9 rebounds, 2 assists. Pinataob naman ng Marikina Showmasters ang Bacolod City 82-73. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Adzar Ojan sa likod ng kanyang 17 points, 14 rebounds, 4 blocks. Wagi din ang Paranaque Patriots kontra sa Bulacan Cuyas 79-73. Best player of the game si Jello Razon matapos nagtala ng 11 points, 3 rebounds, 6 assists. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng North Division as of May 5, 2024. San Juan Knights, 4 wins, 0 loss. Nueva Ecija, 3 wins, 0 loss. Rizal Golden Colors, 4 wins, 1 loss. Pampanga Giant Lanterns, 4 wins, 1 loss. Caloocan City, 2 wins, 1 loss. Valenzuela City, 4 wins, 2 losses. One Bataan Risers, 3 wins, 2 losses. Manila City, 3 wins, 2 losses. Pasay Voyagers, 3 wins, 2 losses. Abra Weavers, 3 wins, 3 losses. Quezon City, 2 wins, 3 losses. Pangasinan Heatwaves, 2 wins, 4 losses. Marikina Showmasters, 1 win, 5 losses. Bulacan Cuyas, 1 win, 5 losses. Heto naman ang team standings ng South Division as of May 5, 2024. Zamboanga Family Sardines, 5 wins, 0 loss. Quezon Huskers, 3 wins, 0 loss. Binyan Tatakjel, 3 wins, 0 loss. Paranaque Patriots, 5 wins, 1 loss. Batangas City, 4 wins, 1 loss. Davao Occidental Tigers, 3 wins, 1 loss. Negros Mascobados, 3 wins, 3 losses. South Cotabato Warriors, 3 wins, 3 losses. Mindoro Tamaraos, 2 wins, 4 losses. Iloilo City, 1 win, 4 losses. Sarangani Marlins, 1 win, 4 losses. Bacolod City, 1 win, 5 losses. Imos Agimat, 0 win, 5 losses. Muntinlupa Kidgers, 0 win, 5 losses. Bicolandia Oragons, 0 win, 6 losses. Heto ang game schedule ngayong May 6, 2024 na gaganapin sa Orion Sports Complex. Sa first game, maglalaban ang Manila City at Sarangani Marlins alas 4 ng hapon. Sa second game, magharap ang Zamboanga Master Sardines at Quezon Huskers alas 6 ng gabi. Sa main game, magtutos ang Davao Occidental Tigers at One Bataan Risers alas 8 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.